Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for joining me today. Take a deep breath, relax and listen carefully. Today, we continue our storytelling journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 9. Today's story is called The Missed Call. Let's begin. There was a young woman named Sophia. Sophia was always busy. Work, messages, notifications. Her life was full of activity, but not always meaningful. One day she received a call from her father. She looked at her phone and thought, I'll call him later. She cut the call. Minutes passed, hours passed. The day became busy again. Meetings, tasks, more work. She forgot to call back. At night, she saw the missed call again. She felt a little guilty. But she thought, I'll talk tomorrow. The next day she got a message. Not from her father, but from her mother. Call me when you are free. Sophia felt something was wrong. She called immediately. Her mother answered, with a quiet voice. Your father is in the hospital. Sophia's heart dropped. She rushed to the hospital. When she reached, she saw her father resting. Weak but smiling. He looked at her and said, I just wanted to talk to you yesterday. Sophia felt tears in her eyes. She held his hand and said, I'm sorry, I was busy. Her father smiled gently. It's okay. But Sophia knew it was not okay. That missed call meant something. From that day, Sophia changed. She still worked hard, she still stayed busy, but she gave time to the people who mattered. When her family called, she answered. When someone important needed her, she was present. Because she understood something important. Time is not just for work. It is also for people. And moments, once missed, may not come back. And that is the lesson of today's story. Don't ignore the small moments. A call, a conversation, a few minutes can mean everything. Make time for the people who matter. Because one day, you may wish you had answered that call. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 9 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click bell button, and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.